here at Sunset Elementary School, watching the demolition of Armin Larby Middle School, which is behind me. You can see the workers are back there. Yesterday they were working on the auditorium. They took the auditorium down, and now I believe, after they clean up over there, I believe they're going to start working on this section over here, which is the original old building. The upper level contained the library, and then later the school board room. And then the lower level is the purple team, where all their classrooms were. Tearing down another piece of the wall. That would be the west wall of the auditorium. Was the west wall of the auditorium that just came down. Almost done with the west wall. The demolition of the ALMS Tech Lab. Some lockers. Some more purple team lockers. to the original Armand Larvey school. This would be right next door to the boardroom, and just above Purple Team Science classroom, right next door to Purple Team Science, which is in the lower level. Okay, just to kind of review right now, this is where the tech lab used to be. And down here to the right, the lower floor, that would be the Purple Team Science room, and then the upper floor would be the near the boardroom area, or the old library. Getting close to that area there. I'm now on the front side of Armand Larvey Middle School as the demolition continues on July 20th. And as we can see, the auditorium area, cafeteria, band room, completely demolished, and now it's under cleanup. Also, back in this area here, these offices behind this front wall are all gone. That would be the conference room. I believe the boys' bathroom is in that area. It's also gone. And I believe the principal's office is also gone in that section, even though the wall remains standing.
That's what we saw through that little window there, on the hillside right there.
One final look as we finish up our day of demolition. Oh, here goes the tree. Taking the tree out. I believe that's a juniper tree that was located next to the courtyard. I think they're just about done for the day. You can see in the foreground here the beams that supported the gym roof. They're huge. And I think that's going to do it pretty much for today.